Welcome to Teacher Helen's virtual classroom. Today, we will talk about campus newspaper, its purpose and importance. Are you ready? Before we start, let's talk about our classroom rules. Letter M. Make your day happy. A. Always ready to listen. D. Take time to recite by raising your hand. A. Be active in class participation. D. Treat one another with respect. A. Ask help when you need. G. Get ready for the lesson. Remember to always be matatag. And now, let's talk about campus newspaper, its purpose and importance. Before we start, let's review with our past lesson. What is a newspaper? What are the purposes of a campus newspaper? A school newspaper serves as a platform for students to express their opinions, report news within the school community, develop writing skills, and stay informed about important events, essentially acting as a voice for the student body while also providing a learning ground for journalism practices. The key purposes of a school newspaper. One of the purposes of a school newspaper is source of information. Disseminating news and information about school events, activities, announcements, and important updates to the students' body and staff. School newspapers serve as a student's voice. It allows learners to share their perspectives, opinions, and concerns on various issues through articles, editorials, and letters to the editor. It also serves as journalism development. It provides a space for learners to learn journalistic skills like reporting, interviewing, writing, editing, and fact-checking. School newspapers serve as community building, fostering a sense of connection and engagement within the school community by highlighting student achievements and diverse perspectives. For critical thinking, encouraging students to analyze information, form opinions, and consider different viewpoints on relevant topics. Another key purpose of a school newspaper is to give creative expression, offering a platform for students to showcase their writing talents and creative abilities through various article formats. This time, let's have an activity. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is incorrect. Number 1. Having school newspaper empowers students to showcase their writing skills and voice their opinions. Number 2. Pupil-run newspapers are a great way to build communication between all groups in the school. Number 3. The purpose of newsletter is to provide information to parents only. Number 4. Brainstorming and producing a school newspaper can provide pupils with valuable experience in collaboration and teamwork. Number 5. News found in the campus newsletter are just copied from well-known newspapers in the country. And now, let's check your answers. Let's proceed to group activity. For Group 1 and 3, write on the meta cards the purpose of a school newspaper. The group with the greatest number of correct answers will be declared as the winner. And for Group 2 and Group 4, take a gallery walk and based from the newsletters that you see, write the importance of a school newspaper. The group with the greatest number of correct answers will be declared as the winner. To measure your understanding about our lesson, let's answer the following questions. What is a newspaper? What are the purposes of a school newspaper? And that ends our lesson for today about campus newspaper, its purposes and importance. Thank you for watching. See you next time. This is Teacher Helen's virtual classroom.